Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aurea Ramadan Cahyani with name 2130803078 from grade 2 on 83C Information System. Mr. Andes Rusmala Santi Enskom. Fairis be to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will His give His grace and prudence so that I can complete my English final project review entitled Analysis of Information Quality for Usable Information System. In the agricultural domain, I study in the Sri Lanka context. Okay, I am here to share the result of my journal review. Abstract. In tracing usable information systems, the quality of information is very important to make the right decision. Otherwise, my information quality feature have been identified in a broad context only certain features we apply to match domain from the study focus on pedagogical analysis to identify features to where we significant for generating usable agricultural information system with reference to developing context. Actually, credibility, context specific, competency, and knowledge were identified as important features of what is in agriculture as a student follows. 1. Syndrome confusion. The use of information system in agriculture is very important to increase productivity by making basic acquisition and execution process. In developing content, several IT initiatives have been introduced as before identify the time dissemination of information is a major problem. Picking up for productive the Sri Lanka context, the Architecture web application to Architecture profile and the official website of the Ministry of Agriculture available. In addition, mobile application before Govia and Info are available which can be downloaded from Google Play Store. Moreover, researchers have emphasized the limited action to proving relevant information under the initiative has led to negative influence on ICE in countries such as India, Mali, and Uganda. It is evident the IQ is the key component that makes an impact on the usefulness of agricultural years. So through this study, we carry out a theoretical analysis to identify the features to be considered under it from the perspective of quality use with price though is in agriculture as from the quality of use perspective has not been discussed in detail in the context of this agricultural software. The line and Michelin is usage model is adapted to explore and provide the correct time back when it is usable. In our research as I preset, we have carried out initial user review analysis on the model of white reference to the Sri Lanka context to vary the assistance of a correction when the IQ of the identity feature and the out of the system. Tonight section discuss the theories that have been adopted in this thread. The section 3 describes inherited feature of a white reference to is in agriculture. Finally, the importance of addressing IQ. Feature for usable agriculture is endemic that must be addressed have been emphasized. Through theoretical background, usability and quality. Over the years, the accessibility aspect is widened. This caused area in several definitions for usability have been given by different levels. However, the definition profit the International Organization of Standardization is well expressed as this provides in definition the can be easily adapted by minimizing conflict with repetition. For example, the usability of iSystem is evaluation based on the text the user prefers, the hardware, software, and material the user has, and the real agreement in which the user asks the system. In addition, usability evaluation in product display. From an agricultural point of view, most identities have evaluated usability in the designer, factors, product display, which has the design right of the user. For example, product display evaluation usability is on features such as intuitive design, overall step of execution, and accessibility for the precision of features of information data context rather than design features such as accessibility. Out of use and feasibility, therefore, this study proves the agriculture is will be evaluated based on quality or use. Therefore, the definition of ice, the extent to which a product can be used with a defined user to achieve certain goals with accessibility, efficiency, and satisfaction in particular context of ice can. 2. Information system access model. Explain the success effectiveness of it is involved to address whether it is possible to access aggregation of individual goals. However, it is difficult text without forever method such is. This model shows the relationship between aspects of quality, user satisfaction, and use. User satisfaction has been measured under three aspects, namely user information satisfaction, design making satisfaction, and user interface satisfaction. The IS model was updated in and decreased quality under three dimensions, namely information quality, system and server quality. Describe the correction of the information that will be provided as the output of it. For example, the correction and the fix. In the model, white refers to the commerce domain are personalized, references, stimulates understanding, completion, and security. Technical success is measured by the quality of the system, while I larger focus on usability-oriented product aspects such as of reliability, flexibility, and response time. Information quality, user satisfaction, usability work hand in hand when evaluating its success. 3. Information quality classification. Information quality has been identified as a component of its success. The various domains of data and information quality enable correct have categorized them by conditioning the prestige as data, reward, and user prestige. Reward IQ data and preferences relative to development product quality characteristics. The user prescribe, user the feature, and user consider to evaluation. three variants: the means of data and information quality, available sources have categorized them by considering the different types to as data, reward, and hazard types. Reward data and types related to development product quality core types. The author for type under the of feature and end user convert to user wiser. The user perfect address the feature, the end user convert to user wiser. Operated data for usable on text quality of us. Therefore, if feature very wide, replace the context user IQV differ from context to context. 3. Information quality for information system that can be used agriculture. 1. Information quality feature. We analyze how information feature affects agricultural usability. To the end frequency, this can information feature where agility identification through theoretical analysis and exploratory how best features have been addressed in agriculture is with selection action, index action. In reference jars, the head-hit context based on our analysis, cursor, completes, reflexes, termites, context, referential, precision, and compression have been identified as the most reviewable feature. Amongst them we identify complex of information ranked in the top flower by a core reference and termites in the order. In addition to the feature, maintained credibility has been considered under interested in our study because it has been relevant from temporary study as a significant feature for agriculture in the development context. Under the reward press type, complex is the range of information required for a meaningful representation of the word, and under the user prospect, completion is the detail of information, or other words, the amount of information sufficient for the 2. Information quality attributes in agricultural perspective. The background of the information is needed to validate trust. Credibility information production agricultural express research and extension works before forwarding it to farmers. Furthermore, the information needs by farmers can be divided into two categories: static and dynamic. Static information is unlikely to be carried for a significant time. For example, static information, the agricultural domain word, information such the style of crop varieties, mitigates, preferences, the size and fish management. Market price, market demand, and consumer both are considered as dynamics of information. The car reflects from the time the price or the eye. The scoping, answer, and dynamical update information system. Make but next tech technology solution, basic service, and in an online component research server INET service. Information relevant to the location of the phone has been considered as the information of the phone source as relevant complex zone, quantity and size factor. The type of frame can be small size, medium scale, larger scale, and greater. In the article, it has been mentioned the information for the content web, one-site system, basic server, and mobile application is relevant to the individual context. Credibility is the quality of information that is trust and variable, and provided but the reference the article has mentioned the to be credibility. Agricultural communication so takes into account the phrase so an expression of word so as respond from. For this connection, it is brand rep the mindful intention of friends asking is to access the right information to make the right action at the right time for the context from farmers. Farmers will be interested in agriculture is farmers. Citation can be fiber for the purpose in this agriculture heap lies mini floor wax prodigy ranking the must exist for is to the premise to be inserted in. 5. Conclusion. The study or attempt is to shift the attention of breadth and precision in the field of its agriculture to suppress breadth and precision in the field of its agriculture. The aspects of the quality of its have been like focus in pre-fossil and white-chrome. The matching information quality involved for making usable this induction analysis was raised to country the find we relevant the practice in rates in the export in editing available future to. However, to create usable it is next to address the remain quality the match hit in the ICMX model. It is next to build a complete model of ranking to create equation in agriculture is to fraud usable is in the Excel. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.